Hey guys, let's build an aqua garden. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it in steps. Glass jar from the thrift store. Any big glass jar will do. But here we are just using Soul Solace. Step 2. So this is actually my favorite part, is to go rock hunting and finding some cool rocks. These were found on the beach. They look like some sort of coquina. It fits, yay. 2 looks good. And then let me get my beaker jar of pre-made plant bundles that I already have ready to go for moments like this. Yee, I like it. So now the next step, what step are we on? 4 or 5? Who knows? Okay, so now we are ready for the water to fill this lady up. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go get my pitcher and get some pond water. We use the pond water as it's been filtered through our skimmers outside. If you're making one of these at home, you could very much use tap water, but make sure you use a dechlorinator. And this is where you want to go really slow, almost like the way they pour beer on the side of the glass so that there's no foam. That's kind of what we're doing. We're pouring water very slow on the side so that it's not disturbing the environment we created below. This is gonna be the best one ever. After we fill with water, I like to wait a little bit, but then we will fill her with some guppies. We find that guppies do the best. It's really the only fish type we'd recommend for an aqua garden. Some of the only ones that really thrive in a no filter situation like an aqua garden scenario. Now is when we take a step back and look at our beautiful baby. Incredible! Probably wait a couple of hours to add my guppies just to kind of get everything, give everything a minute to settle.
2 hours later.
BRB, gone fishing. They're so cute. Oh my God, okay. Focus. Who wants to go in my aqua garden? It's pretty and I made it for you. Now I'm releasing them. Be free! Be free! I'm loving it. Oh yay! Do you see him running? He's a little mad right now. But you got it, homie. This is gonna be your home. This is your home now, and I made it just for you. Bellissimo! So now that we have our guppy friends, we have about 10 or so guppies in here swimming around. They're all at the bottom. They're just checking out their new home. And now, let's go grab some snails! So, in your aqua garden, you want, honestly, when you're making it, at most 2 snails. So what I'm doing now is I'm grabbing my aquatic snails to put them in my aqua garden. It's the last step. Chad, I'm making the best video of all time. Are my aquatic snails. And they're gonna find their new home in here. So after our aquatic snails go in our aqua garden, really just like the last semi-step would be to get some duckweed as a plant topper. This also proliferates and just duplicates. We're all done. The snails are climbing on the rocks. All right, I will focus, I'm sorry. One more time. We are all done making our aqua garden for the day. So we are gonna go ahead and put her in her new home and I will show you up close. And we're back. Distraction. You're gonna need to edit this video so much. I'm sorry. And we're back. Maintaining aqua gardens is a very, very simple. It's not a lot of maintenance, not nearly as much as having an aquarium would be. Every once in a while, I will go around and take a little bit of the duckweed plant topper out so that I'm showing a water surface on the top. I like to have like a half and half ratio of duckweed and water. Also, every once in a while, I'll go up and fill my water. Water evaporates. I do also feed the fish, the guppies, in these aqua gardens once every other day. I do about a pinch. The goal is to have just enough so that the fish eat it and that there's not an excess, creating a really messy biome. As your aqua garden gets happier and happier, the plant life and the plant material, those bundles that we added in there, will grow so that the fish have a happy place to live. I'll go in once every maybe month or so, nothing crazy, and take out some plant cuttings of the aquatic plants to free up the space and to kind of get a new look, a new vibe. But wait, there's more. If you are curious about our aqua gardens, we have this in our potting shed with handouts on the care for aqua gardens. So if you're interested, please come see us. We'll guide you to them, and you're more than welcome to have one of our free handouts on how to care for the aqua garden. Yay! It was my show. It wasn't karaoke. It was my show. Fun fact. One time on a cruise, there was karaoke, but no one would sing. So I got up there, and then I sang 6 songs in a row. It was my show. That was fun. Okay, back to garden.